Welcome back to the greatest sailing show on earth. In this week's episode, you're going to find out exactly why I hate messing with electricity while I attempt to fix the hot water heater. Exciting stuff, I know. Look, if nothing else, it'll be good for a laugh, I promise. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you really enjoy it, you can always join the crew over in patreon.com. There's incentives to being a member over there. Live streams, early video access, crew drawings, things like that. Anyways, let's get into this week's video. Hope you enjoy it. Well, I just got back from work and I remembered to leave the hot water on today before I left. I was pretty excited about that because that means I don't have to wait for hot water to heat up when I get back to get a shower after work. There's the crappy hot water heater. And here's my bilge full of water. You know, all the water that was in the holding tank is now in this bilge, in the mid bilge, in the engine bay. 100 gallons of water in the bilges right now, and I don't have a mid-bilge pump, so anything that gets trapped from like my feet to the middle of the boat don't get pumped out, because I needed that was on my list of things we were trying to order right away. And yeah, so I got to get a bilge pump for the sump, which is where all the water's at in here. And anyways, yeah, I just got back from work and now I lost my flashlight. That's great. The only one I have here, because the rest are at work. And now I get to crawl in here and try to fix this water leak. And I'm pretty sure it's... Damn, I lost a flashlight. How fucked up is that? I'm pretty sure it's not the hot water tank, which is great. There's like some stupid hose junction underneath the hot water tank that you'd have to lay in this water on your back up under there to and not happening, guys, to see what the hell's going on. I found a flashlight to see what the hell's really going on. And yeah, again, I'm not doing that. I'm just not. I don't have my headlamp. There's not enough room. This light keeps kicking off. I've been working all day. I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna pull this fucking hot water heater out, this big dumb shit, and pull this piece of plywood up, because it's cut right here because there's nothing underneath it. Whatever, it's open underneath, so I'm gonna pop this board off and then try to get this piece of plywood out after I get this piece of shit out and see what our deal is here. So let's do that. Where to put you guys? Hold on. So at this point, I don't care if it's a cold shower, I just want a shower. Okay, what do we got here? This wire's coming in to here, and well, that's nice. This fucking shit hillbilly here. Oh, I don't have all my wiring tools here, so it's just gonna have to go back hillbilly style, I guess, for now. Oh god. Fuck, I thought that was off. I hope you guys saw that. The shit is off. Like, what the... It's switched off. I hate getting shocked so damn much, and that thing got me good. You guys see that shit? Turn my hand black. I hate getting shocked. Can you believe that? What the hell? Why is there still power there? Again, guys, I'm not an electrician, so I'm not surprised. I hate getting shocked. That's why. That's why I never cared to learn it. I'm like, the more I know about it, the more I fuck with it, the more chance there is when we get shocked. And I don't want to get shocked. I fucking hate getting shocked. Just like that. I hate that. Makes your whole damn arm tingly. Well, that's the wrong one, idiot. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Where is the one? We need the tape. This one and that one. Jesus. God, I hate touching this shit. I hate power. I love it and hate it. I love using it, hate fucking with it. So yeah, guys, an important side note. When you leave your boat to go to work for the day, turn your water pump off. If I would have done that, my bilge wouldn't be full of water right now. I would have heard the leak, caught the leak, stopped it, fixed it, carried on, you know? That sucks. Snap-on Leatherman and a crescent wrench. Note to self, that has power. I forgot to turn the camera back on. I was pulling this out, water started coming out of it, and it's all my warm water. I'm trying to save that shit. Sorry guys, I didn't see it, you died. Or you ran out of battery. Sounds weird saying you died. Don't die on me, guys. I think we got it. We're going to put the hot water heater back in and hook everything back up without getting shocked, hopefully. Again, because, man, that shouldn't, some of this lit me up. Let's just go for it. There's still a third of a tank of hot water. I don't want to lose all my hot water, guys. Trying to take a shower. Haven't had a shower yet. Please don't rip off there, son of a bitch. Alright, how are we going to do this? Because we need them hoses towards us. Fuck it, I'll pull them out somehow. We'll figure it out. I'm light. Oh, don't dump out water, I want you in there. Oh, it's so warm. That water is so warm. I want a shower so bad. I was thinking about a shower the whole way back. I've been sweating my ass off all day. It was warm today, guys. Y'all are always being bad. Come on, like this stupid light. Well, now they're probably dead. Now it's probably dead. What? Come on, come here. Come here, baby. You're fine. I'm talking to the camera. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Come here, baby. Watch out for my coffee, that's all. Come here. Come here, my sweet babies. My sweet babies. We're fixing the hot water so Daddy can take a shower. Oh, oh, you smell like the beach. You smell good, but stinky at the same time. It's weird. You smell like the beach violet. See, we're rolling in it, and you haven't had a shower yet. It's hard to wash her in here. I was trying to get one of those. Oh, but you guys can come over here in case I get shocked again. You can see it up close and personal. Come on, guys. Come with me. how's that? That better? Anyways, it's hard to wash her in here, so I was gonna get one of those shower heads with the long hose. Oh yeah, I gotta get rid of this tape. One of those shower heads with the long hose so it's easier, and I just haven't yet. I've been washing her outside on the deck when it's decent out, or I've washed her in that shower in there 3 times now, and I've meant to film it every time and show you guys because it is not easy. I mean, it's not like it's super hard or anything. It's just a small shower. You guys have seen it. So yeah, let's get this all clamped up and quit yammering and go from there. Which one is leaking now? What is leaking? The same one. That same key. Same shit. Different minute. So now what? Gotta take it all back out? Oh, I was feeling really good about this. Thought we were all done. 20 gallons of water into the bilge. Just what we needed. Go ahead, drain out. I just want to shower, guys. Shit ain't even funny no more. Alright, well, you've seen it here first. This isn't, it's not working. It blew the clamp right back off, so I gotta figure something else out, guys. I'm gonna look around the boat, see what I got. I'll have water tonight. Houston, we have water. It was the other hose, it worked out. Alright, well, now that we got that wrapped up, I think it's time to wrap up this week's video. I know I'm making them a little bit shorter, but maybe they'll be a little easier to sit through. I don't know. We're just working our way to the better footage, where I hope I'm starting to get it a little better. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you really enjoyed it, join the crew over on patreon.com. There's incentives to being a member, and it's all explained over there. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you guys next week.